Hello, good evening everyone. I just finished preparing my fish for tomorrow. This is for grilled fish in the oven. And this is the fish fillet. And this is the Sultan Ibrahim. In Arabic they call it Sultan Ibrahim. In the Philippines we call it, I think, Dalagang Bukid. And the other one, the big one, this one, I don't know what kind of fish is that. But when uh, when I'm cooking, when my family want to eat fish, we should buy it the day before, so that it will be marinated in lemon, olive oil, and spices. Yes, and onions, sliced onions, and then mix it together and mikus. After that, you will make massage. Yes, it's good. Even the fish, before cooking, they can experience the massage from my hand. Massage. This one for grilled, it's a lot. And this one frying. And the big one, this one, I will make it sayadilla. It's like, fish and rice cooked together. And this one, the fish fillet for Ibrahim, it's just fried. Thank you everyone for watching.